In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery inside a Mazda key fob that looks just like this one in front of me. So the first thing you'll need to do is go ahead and open the key. Once your key is open, here in the slot there's a small space where you need to jam your screwdriver and press. You see it? It's right there. Right there. So take it, I'll do it this way since it's more comfortable, and this part will come off. I'll show you. So you go there, you press, and you pull this part at the same time. So it separates in two. We won't need this one. Now take the other part of the case here, and you'll notice there's two places where you need to jam your screwdriver. Let me focus on this. You see there's a space right here and there's one right here. If you have a small flat head screwdriver like this one, it will fit really well here. What you need to do is to insert it inside and twist. Like so. Do it on the other side. Here we go. You'll feel the casing opening while doing this. And this is the way you get to the battery right here. Let's put this down. To remove the battery that is right there, you'll need to take again your screwdriver and try to pop it out of the casing. Here we go. The battery you'll need is a CR1620. It's a 3-volt battery, just like this one. So take a new one and you'll need to put it facing down, the positive side facing down. So to jam it, you need to put it right there. Push with your thumb. Once it clicked in place, you'll need to put this part right back. So if this thing flew away like you just saw, you'll need to put it back like so. Give it a good click so there's no water that can enter inside. Here we go. This way you're sure it's perfect. And now it's the time to put the second part back. Just insert it and it will click. You may not hear it, but you will feel it. Here we go. And now you can put the key back in place. So if this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.